And an Albuquerque officer off the hook for an alleged crime while wearing his gun. Good evening. Two separate cases involving local cops. One accused of wearing his gun while attacking his wife. The other accused of pulling his department-issued gun on his girlfriend.
For one man, the case is just beginning. For the other, it just ended, with a judge dismissing the charges. We begin with News 13's Kayla Ayers live in the Newsplex with details on how former APD cop and union leader Joey Segala got off.
Jessica, those charges stemmed from a May incident when Joey Segala's wife reported to police that he had attacked her. The case was dismissed today because of what didn't happen in court. The state of New Mexico versus Filiberto Joey Segala ended today when two key witnesses did not show up for court. One of those witnesses was the alleged victim, Segala's wife. Investigators tried to serve her with a subpoena several times last month. She told investigators she did not want to prosecute.
On December 7th, 2012, I spoke with the victim on the phone, and she said that she had not been served and adamantly stated that she would not testify.
The case began when Segala's wife told police he roughed her up at a Northwest Albuquerque home while he was wearing his badge and duty gun. She said Segala then took her phone, cash, and EBT card and hit her in the face. A second key witness, another person at the Albuquerque home, also did not show up for court.
Your Honor, the state anticipated that these witnesses may not appear today, but had hoped that they would change their minds. Unfortunately, they chose not to appear, and as a result, the state cannot move forward without their testimony.
The 8-year APD veteran was placed on leave after the alleged incident before he was fired in July. The State Law Enforcement Academy Board recommended revoking Segala's certification in October because of this case. The Department of Public Safety says Segala is now fighting to keep his certification. Segala resigned as president of Albuquerque's police union in March amid a different controversy. Segala came under fire earlier this year for paying officers involved in shootings and misspending union money. Back to you.
Okay, Kayla, police union representatives say they handed over an audit of the police union's finances to state police 10 weeks ago. State police say they are still investigating Segala over payments made to both he and his wife from union funds.